So about to start the plastering of these small areas where the plaster had come off and blown off, to be honest. So I've taken it back to, it's about probably 2-3 millimeters deep. I think I just need the one coat because it goes down to 0.5 millimeter here. So I'm going to PVA it first, just to give it a bond on it, maybe 2 coats. I am going to put scrim tape round. I'm a bit confused whether I should be using scrim tape or not. I've seen a couple of channels that say to put it, and I understand why you'd put it, because obviously it's going to stop any cracking or any movement of the plaster and that. Obviously that adds a bit more thickness and therefore you have to blend it out and wash it out a bit more. So I don't know what you think about that, whether I'm doing the wrong thing or right thing in putting a scrim tape around that. So it'll be interesting. I'm going to use some multi-thistle plaster on it, just as a finishing plaster. You can put that on, I think, in 2 millimeter thicknesses. This is the tools for the job I'm going to use. I've obviously got a hawk, I've got a plastering float. I'm going to put PVA on, so I'm just going to put some PVA bond on. I've got the scrim tape, as I said, debatable whether I should be using all that. I'm not quite sure, so let me know. So I'm going to use this thistle multi-finish that goes up to 2 millimeters, 2 coats maximum, and then obviously I'm just going to mix it up in a small bucket. I'm not going to make a big mix because it's only a small area. PVA I'm going to use sort of 50-50, it won't need a lot. The problem is, the more I touch it, the more I just keep disturbing it, but that's just probably as good as I'm going to get it. Well, I made that really hard for myself. First, I didn't mix quite enough. And secondly, I used the wrong bloody trowel, that I got the wrong plaster trowel that I bought specifically, which is a lot thinner and a bit more pliable than that, whereas the other one I think is more of a render trowel, probably for outside bricking and that type of thing. Anyway, by the time I found that out and swapped, I managed to get back and created something that's okay, it'll do. But it's not easy. It's not easy. You have to be spending a lot of time, I think, plastering to really become any good at it. But I suppose I saved myself some money. I've had a go, and I can manage small pieces. But it'd be interesting now if the easy fill just makes up on the smooth finish that I'm looking for.